Good day everyone, my name is Kendall Reap and welcome to this episode of WOOX Garage. Today I would like to take the time to show you how to install one of our WOOX rifle chassis onto a Remington 700. First things I'm going to want to do is make sure my firearm is clear and safe. As you can see here, I have no ammunition in my weapon, as well as no ammunition anywhere in my workspace to avoid any accidents. Secondly, I would like to turn my rifle upside down in my WOOX cleaning kit rest. The tools I will need today are a 4mm Allen key, a 5/32 will work as well. First thing I'm going to do is release spring tension off of my floor plate so that there's no tension on my screws while I back them out. Nextly, I'm going to break tension on both of the stock retention screws. I like to bring these out as uniformly as I can to avoid having any extra tension on my screws than needed. Once you have those screws loosened up, your floor plate should lift out of your stock. And nextly, your stock should lift free of your barrel in action. One thing to remember while you're doing this process is to make sure your magazine walls here are still in the same place to avoid any problems down the road. Our WOOX Furiosa chassis, which we have here, should just sit down onto your barrel in action. Make sure you line up your holes and replace your floor plate. Should drop right down in. Let's go ahead and tighten these screws down. Once they're set in and firm, now that I have them set firmly, I'm going to take my torque wrench that was provided with my WOOX cleaning kit here. I've already set it to 7.3 Newton meters, which is 65 inch-pounds, and I have a T25 here. I'm going to go ahead and close my floor plate and torque these down to the correct spec. Now that we have that properly torqued down, turn your rifle over and make sure it cycles properly. Everything's fitting and working well. Thank you for joining me on this episode of WOOX Garage, and I hope to see you again soon. My name is Kendall Reap.